Is your online bank safe? Cracking the code on EQ Bank stability. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of online banking, specifically a name you might have seen popping up lately, EQ Bank. Now, with all the traditional brick-and-mortar banks we're used to, online options can feel a little uncertain. So, the big question, is EQ Bank a safe place to park your hard-earned cash? Let's crack the code on EQ Bank stability and see if it's the right fit for you. First things first, EQ Bank isn't some fly-by-night operation. It's actually the digital arm of a very established player in Canada, Equitable Bank. That's a key point because Equitable Bank is a federally regulated institution. This means they play by the same strict rules as the big banks we know. But hey, regulations are great and all, but what about our money? Here's where things get interesting. EQ Bank falls under the umbrella of the Canada Deposit Insurance Corporation, CDIC. Now, the CDIC might sound fancy, but it's basically a financial safety net. If, in the unlikely event, EQ Bank were to face some serious trouble, the CDIC insures your deposits for up to $100,000 per insured category. That's a big reassurance, folks. Now, beyond the safety net, let's talk about EQ Bank's financial health. They're known for offering some of the most competitive interest rates in Canada. That's great for your savings, but it can also be a sign of a bank trying to attract new customers quickly. So, is that a red flag? Not necessarily. Here's why. EQ Bank operates with a lean, online-only model. They cut out the overhead costs of physical branches and tellers, which allows them to offer those sweet interest rates. It's a smart business strategy, and so far, it seems to be working for them. But enough with the financial jargon, let's get real. EQ Bank has been around for over a decade now, and they've built a solid reputation for customer service and security. They use top-notch encryption technology to keep your information safe, and they offer two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. Here's the thing, though, online banking isn't for everyone. If you crave the personal touch of a branch visit and a friendly chat with a teller, EQ Bank might not be your ideal fit. They primarily focus on savings accounts, so if you need a full suite of banking services, you might want to consider other options. Ultimately, the decision of where to bank comes down to your personal needs and comfort level. EQ Bank offers a secure and stable platform with fantastic interest rates, but it comes with the trade-off of a purely online experience. So, is EQ Bank stable? Based on their affiliation with a reputable institution, CDIC insurance, and online-focused business model, all signs point to yes. But remember, research is key. Consider your banking needs and risk tolerance before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.